Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add thumbnail on Instagram reel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly open the Instagram. So after that here you can see plus option, so just click on it. So after that select reel option, so you can see post, story, reel, live, so click on reel options. So after that select any post which you want to share. So after selecting the post, click on next, and then you can see edit cover option, so just click on it. So after that here you can select any thumbnail according to you. So if you do not want to add any thumbnail from here, so you can add from your gallery. So you can see the options of add from camera roll, so just click on it. So after that you can see it show your gallery. So just select any thumbnail according to you. So after selecting any thumbnail, so you can see done option, so just click on it and then click on share. So guys, you can see this reel is sharing. So guys, in this way you can add thumbnail on Instagram reel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.